binge drinkers and alcoholics are only dying in a fool's paradise. Five-star doctors saying all this nonsense things. Can we modify it? Can we come out with a different solution? Compensation is a part of the clinical trial. They are doing nothing.
The vaccination earlier has not worked. Now what you say, the second will work. When you buy the cough syrup, the side effects is written there. So when you're taking the vaccine, where is the side effects written?
So many vaccines which were given are Covishield and Covaxin. Both the vaccines caused equal side effects. Yes, Covishield was more because that was rolled out more.
Like in most pandemics, the debate around COVID is still continuing. Hi, I'm Sneha Viswas and you're watching me on the Free Press Journal. Ever since AstraZeneca admitted to the faulty side of its vaccine, there's a long debate that's happening around the world and in India too. Today we are at VT, where a lot of people, medical specialists, journalists, lawyers have gathered here. But what have they gathered for? Let us try to find out. So right now we have Dr. Anand Dev with us. So sir, AstraZeneca has admitted to the faulty side of the vaccine. Should people in India also panic?
Things have happened. What are we going to do by doing this panic and all these things now? And things are happening. I mean, why we have been keeping all this thing in a hiding, God knows. But things are happening. And now, rather than doing panic, we have to come out with a solution. This is my sincere request to everybody. Sit down, discuss, come out with a solution. It's not that the solution is not there. We can do something about it.
Sir, don't you think the situation was such that research would definitely take a lot of time and there were a lot of
Yes.
people dying?
Yes.
A lot of people dying. So the government has to take a chance.
It is a clinical trial, and if there is any problem happening, you withdraw. And these problems were happening, and people were keeping their eyes shut, no talking, nothing listening, and crap things like binge drinkers and alcoholics are only dying in a fool's paradise. Five-star doctors saying all this nonsense things. You should have seen that thing. It is in news media. It is not our own generated thing. It is there in news. So many people are dying. Withdraw that thing immediately. Do not give that thing. And accept that the problem has happened. This is a rule of a clinical trial. Accept that the problem has happened. Can we modify it? Can we come out with a different solution? Compensation is a part of the clinical trial. They are doing nothing.
We have called this press conference because vaccine deaths are happening in huge numbers in India and abroad also. And we are fighting in court cases also, and we have won some court cases also, for which the mandates in India was removed from Bombay High Court and Supreme Court. And many of our cases are going on for compensation to vaccine victims from Kerala to Delhi.
So, sir, are you saying that all vaccines are bad? Because the way I just saw the conference that was happening, you were basically pointing out the things that were bad. So basically you're trying to say that all the vaccines are bad. Is it so?
Awaken India movement has a stand that the vaccine theory is not a good theory. Our natural immunity is very strong. The vaccination earlier has not worked. Now what you say, the second will work. Similarly, we've talked about HPV. HPV was not taken in the immunization program because the press reported clearly, and you can go and see in the print, they wrote a very good article, that it has a huge side effects to girls. So why government has passed in the budget and why they are giving it to the schools?
So, sir, since you're talking about side effects, even a cough syrup, if we buy a cough syrup, there are side effects written attached to it. Everything has side effects. So, what you are saying is, this vaccine was not needed. COVID would have gone by itself. Is that what you're saying?
See, I will explain to you. When you buy the cough syrup, the side effects is written there. So when you're taking the vaccine, where is the side effects written? Where you told about it? No.
They should have.
They should have told you, no. They should have disclosed it that there are these side effects. Then it is your choice because it's your life.
What step do you think should the government have taken?
Actually, people should move around freely. If you notice in India, you see people coming from foreign used to immediately fall sick. But Indians living in Dharavi, living in a slum area, living near unhygienic, they are all robust. Why? Because you're exposed to germs and viruses and you're developing immunity by exposure. And you're developing immunity by being with the sunlight outdoors and breathing and walking and exercising. So immunity doesn't come from quarantining and restrictions. This is a wrong thing. The COVID appropriate behaviors itself is life robbing.
But isn't it that everybody's immunity is different? It differs from person to person. I may fall sick early, you may fall sick.
Yes, but the falling sick itself causes immunity. See, we should not fear falling sick. Actually, the flu was called into as if it's a serious illness, but actually all the symptoms that we face, the sardi, khasi, fever, this is a detox symptoms, and we are throwing out the viruses. Our body is fighting it, and then it's getting immunity. So there's nothing wrong in getting a fever and flu. In fact, when we get fever, flu, we must say, thank you, my body's fighting the things. And we do not have to be afraid of each other.
So, from you, I would like to ask, we are talking about Covishield, AstraZeneca admitted to the faulty side. What about Covaxin?
We have collected many data as was already revealed during our press conference. So many vaccines which were given are Covishield and Covaxin. So it's not that Covaxin was safer. In fact, the children deaths are all related to Covaxin, I think. Corbevax, the Bharat Biotech vaccine. So yes, both the vaccines caused equal side effects. Yes, Covishield was more because that was rolled out more as compared to Covaxin.
तो आंटी आपके जो बेटे की जो डेथ है वो कैसे हुई?
एक्चुअली उसने वैक्सीन लिया। वैक्सीन लेने के बाद फ्रेंड लोगों ने भी लिया था उस दिन उसके साथ में। तो वो अपने घर चले गए, उसके बाद उसके सर में दर्द होने लगा। तो उसकी फ्रेंड को उसने बोला कि मैं घर पे जा रहा हूँ, मेरा सर बहुत दर्द हो रहा है। तो वो घर पे चला गया और मैं घर पे नहीं थी, मैं मालेगांव में गई हुई थी, गांव में गई थी। तो वो अकेला, मैं विरार में रहती थी, वो अकेला घर पे था। तो उसको मैं रोज़ डेली कॉल करती थी मेरे टाइम पे। तो मैंने उसको कॉल किया तो उसने रिसीव नहीं किया। बहुत सारे कॉल किए, मैंने वॉइस मैसेज डाला उसको कि तू आज कॉल नहीं उठाएगा ना 10 मिनट के अंदर, तू ज़िंदगी में मेरे साथ बात मत कर। और सही में वो रूट के ही चला गया उसके बाद। तो मैंने उनके फ्रेंड को सबको कॉल किया तो बोले हमारा भी कॉल नहीं रिसीव कर रहा है वो। तो मैं बोली घर पे जाओ, उसके वो है कि नहीं वो देखो। अभी लैश था घर पे, तो बोले घर पे तो अंदर से बंद है या बाहर से मालूम नहीं है, मगर शूज़ बाहर है। मगर आंटी बोले उसने वैक्सीन लिया है सुबह। तो मैं एकदम डर गई। मैं बोली तुम कुछ भी करो, दरवाज़ा तोड़ दो, तुरंत दरवाज़ा तोड़ो, वो अंदर है। वो इतना टाइम मेरा फ़ोन उठाएगा नहीं, ऐसा होगा ही नहीं। तो दरवाज़ा तोड़ा उन लोगों ने, तो बेड के नीचे पड़ा हुआ था। उसके बाद मैंने कॉल किया तो मुझे तो नहीं बताया, मगर मेरे मामा उन लोगों को सबको बताया उसने कि दादू का ऐसे हुआ। तो वो लोग मुझे लेके आए तो एडमिट किया। सब ख़त्म तो हो गया था, एक ही बच्चा था मेरा।
केस किया आपने?
हाँ, केस किया, हाई कोर्ट में चालू।
क्या स्टेटस है केस का?
स्टेटस का तो अभी 1 साल भर तो डेट मिला हुआ नहीं था। तो अभी इसके बाद ही पता चलेगा मुझे। समर वैकेशन चालू है, उसके बाद ही पता चलेगा।